Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen powerhouse that promises to transform your culinary experience, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770? It's an all-in-one blender and food processor that boasts a robust 1,500 watt motor. This versatile machine is designed for anyone who loves cooking and wants to streamline their food preparation. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping vegetables, or even mixing dough, this system has you covered. Let's delve into some of its standout features. First up is that impressive 1,500 watt motor base. This powerhouse is capable of crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and tackling tough ingredients with ease, giving you professional quality results right in your kitchen. Next, we have the extra-large 72-ounce pitcher, ideal for those big batch smoothies or party dips. The total crushing blades are engineered to pulverize ice into snow in seconds, making it a breeze to whip up your favorite frozen drinks. And if you're not looking to make a giant batch, you can use the two included 16-ounce Nutri Ninja Cups, which come with convenient to-go lids for your personalized shakes and smoothies. Let's not forget about the food processing capabilities. The 8-cup processor bowl is perfect for consistent and even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. It comes with a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade, which can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. That's a game changer for anyone who loves baking. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System also features 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. This means you can easily choose the function that best fits your recipe or meal prep needs, making it user-friendly for cooks of all skill levels. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy individual or family looking to save time in the kitchen, this system is perfect for you. It's also great for health enthusiasts who enjoy making smoothies or meal prepping. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this all-in-one system can elevate your kitchen game. Now, let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine starting your day with a quick smoothie made from frozen fruits, spinach, and protein powder. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System can whip that up in seconds. Or perhaps you're hosting a gathering and need to prepare salsa or guacamole for your guests. With the total crushing blades, you can have freshly made dips in no time. And for those who love to bake, think about how easy it would be to mix dough for your favorite cookies or bread. Just add your ingredients and let the machine do the work. Cleaning up is simple too. The motor base can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and all the cups, bowls, blades, and lids are dishwasher safe. Just make sure to place them on the top rack and be cautious when handling the blades. In summary, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is an incredibly versatile kitchen companion that combines blending and food processing into one powerful unit. Whether you're prepping meals for the week, making a quick smoothie, or whipping up a batch of dough, this system has the features to support all your culinary endeavors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.